how to hold strong energetic fields. An energetic practice to create strong energetic fields and to explore what are the concepts, what are the practices, tools, awareness for you to hold that enable you to create strong energetic fields. And we want to ask the question, well, why do you want to have strong energetic fields? So that you feel protected, so that you have a buffer around you, creates more resilience. It actually supports a healthy body, a healthy emotional field, mental field. You get less empathically reactive, physically, mentally, emotionally, karmically, behaviorally. We can be highly empathic when we don't have strong energetic fields. So what is the very first step to think about with creating a strong energetic field? We want to think about the divine line. Your divine line creates a divine cosmic loop. You have that spark that exists in the heart of source, creates that line of light, goes down the front of the spine, out the base chakra, loops back behind you, up to your spark in the heart of source. And the more you hold your energy or awareness in your divine line, divine cosmic loop, the stronger the current of your light gets. So when you have a really strong current in your divine cosmic loop, for you, soul rider, your body has a loop, body has a strong loop of light. Your teams, your body Davis teams, all have strong loops of light. Whatever you are connecting with in your divine line, divine cosmic loop gets reflected and creates your energetic fields. So how do we create strong energetic fields? We tonify, strengthen, create a consistent flow in the divine line, divine cosmic loop. And so take a deep breath in. Pull your energy and awareness into your divine line. And explore that consistency creates strength. Inconsistent creates breaks and weakness, weak energetic fields. So when you pull yourself into your divine line, invite your higher self, body, Davis higher self, and teams to activate a consistent flow in your divine cosmic loop of your light, your essence, your gifts, your qualities, your wisdom, your mastery. And just repeat after me. We invite the higher self of me, my body, and teams to activate a consistent flow in our individual divine cosmic loops of our light, our essence, our wisdom, our passion, our mastery. And then in your mind's eye, you might even imagine this loop, this huge loop traveling down the top of your head, down the front of your spine, out your base chakra, looping back up to your spark in the heart of source. And you are running this loop, and it's a consistent, fast loop, or slow, whatever feels appropriate to you. Consistent flow, steady flow of light in your divine cosmic loop. Body Deva, steady flow of light in divine cosmic loop. And the Body Deva's loop travels from the spark, it's part of the earth spark, down through the top of the head, down spine, spinal cord, out base chakra, into the heart of earth, loops back up in front of itself to spark. Steady, consistent flow, Body Deva divine cosmic loop. And you might even say, steady, consistent flow, Body Deva divine cosmic loop. Me, soul rider, steady, consistent flow in my divine cosmic loop. You just keep using this visualization, this sense, maybe even your fingers of that I'm doing in video. Steady, consistent flow. Steady, consistent flow. And that steady, consistent flow reflects into the energetic fields, which creates strong energetic fields.